Hello from Surfside Beach. We are just south of Myrtle Beach. We're going to give you a tour of the main area of Surfside Beach, a walking tour, show you the restaurants, show you the bars, and then we're also going to give you an update on the pier construction. So if you want to know where this is, it's on the Ocean Boulevard that's down by Surfside. That's a different Ocean Boulevard. Like, you can't go straight from Myrtle Beach on Ocean Boulevard. You're going to have to actually keep going, get off onto Kings Highway, and then get back onto Ocean Boulevard. And it's also at the corner of Surfside Drive. That's what we're near. So here's one of the restaurants that's been here for quite a while. This is Bubba's Fish Shack, and Brian's actually eaten here, so it's really good. I haven't had the pleasure yet, but definitely want to check that out sometime. And you got the ocean right across the street here, which is an awesome location. If you're new to our channel, we cover everything Myrtle Beach, as well as the surrounding areas like Surfside. So be sure you subscribe if you're interested in those kind of videos so you don't miss anything. I'm Carmen, and Brian's here with me taking this walking tour. So up next is a very new restaurant. This is Chimichanga Llama. I love that name. I'm a fan of llamas, so that's definitely something that speaks to me, and I absolutely love this type of food, so this is definitely on our short list to visit. They have ample outdoor seating, very colorful decor. Let's go around the corner here, take a look at the seating. And we always get this question. This is filmed pretty early in the morning. This is the time of year where they charge for parking during the day. So we're here early in the morning to do a little tour. So normally this area would be packed. Like, if you're here during normal hours, this would absolutely be packed. And then right next door is the Gracious Pig. So we'll go and take a closer look at that from the front. I love these retro gas pumps, so cute. So here is their sign and the front of the Gracious Pig Smokehouse. This is definitely something I would like to try. Also, this is fairly new, not as new as Chimichanga Llama, but it is fairly new. And then straight across the street, this has been here for a while, is the Pizza Hyena. Let's cross over when this car goes by and take a closer look. And then when you see all this construction plus the crane in the background, that is the pier construction. We're going to show you from this side, and we're also going to show you from the beach side. Hyena happy hour, Monday through Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. And so here's Pizza Hyena. They are directly in front of the pier. Wild-fired pizza, laughs, and beer. It looks like they got some water for your canine friends. Outdoor seating. And then let's go over and take a look at the back side and the pier construction and the beach side. So if you haven't seen the news, they announced that the pier construction has been delayed. They have run into some delays and some issues, so it is taking them longer than expected. So let's go around here where we can get a better view. And so now they are saying the pier will not be finished before mid-December and possibly as late as March of 2023. However, it does sound exciting what they're working on. They are going to have businesses on the pier, as you can see. They are going to have a tackle and bait shop. They're going to have an ice cream shop, and they are also in negotiations for the last location, which I am assuming will be a restaurant, but they have not announced that. But that would be the perfect third, in my opinion. Somewhere to get some food besides ice cream would be the perfect addition to the pier. They also talked about, so this pier was demolished in Hurricane Matthew. So they talked about also the fact that they have built it with steel pilings this time. And so it is much stronger than it was the previous time and more impervious to hurricanes. They said basically all the buildings you see would go down before this pier would go down. Time will tell, of course, if that holds true, but they said they have definitely built it with hurricanes in mind. Come around the corner here. Also, here's River City Cafe. This is another popular establishment here, so that's right across the street from those other eating establishments that we just showed you. So here we go down the side, get some better shots of the construction. And then we will go beachside. So if you're not familiar with Surfside Beach, like I said, it's just south of Myrtle Beach, but also it is a quieter beach. It's known as the Family Beach, and I think that name is pretty true. And it's also been awarded for being an autism-friendly beach. And if you're looking for a quieter place to stay without all the big high-rises, I know you see a hotel right there, but there are not many hotels and high-rises. It's mostly small rental homes, condos, that kind of thing. This is definitely a good place. So this is pretty interesting view right here. Good up close view. You can see the cranes. So you can definitely see they have a lot of work to do. I can see why this has been postponed. They've come a long way, but definitely still got a ways to go. So let's head down to the beach and check out the beach side and also check out the beach itself. So this is sort of a makeshift beach access while they're doing the construction here. There are a lot of public beach accesses at Surfside Beach, and just like Myrtle, they charge for parking during the day. There are some times, like I said, early in the morning or off season, but you always need to read the signs because not all of them have meters anymore. Some of them now, you just pay on your phone or something like that. So there's not always a meter. So just because you don't see a meter doesn't mean it's free parking. So always read all the signs when you come to a public beach access. But look at this gorgeous view down Surfside Beach. So you can see, like I mentioned, very few hotels. You've got a Holiday Inn way down there if you can see that hotel that's way down at the end, but it's mostly houses, condos, that kind of thing. We'll come around here and get a closer view of the pier. Can't go under the pier because the tide is high right now. You can see the water is a little rough. I wasn't even sure we were going to be able to do this morning because there's a pretty good chance of a storm. You can kind of see it that way and it's quite windy. But we decided to come on down. May get wet, but that's all right. As long as we don't get struck by lightning, that's the danger. You always have to be careful about that, but don't go out in lightning storms, but rain, I don't mind. Yeah, so yeah, you can absolutely see the amount of work they have to do. It's quite a lot. Honestly, I'd be surprised if they can get this done by mid-December. When the tide is low, you can still walk under here, but they tell you, not to go in this area for safety reasons. So I've seen people walk under it, but you see the sign there. They don't want you walking under it. Something could fall while they're doing construction. It's funny how when you turn one way it's so gray and then you turn another way and it's actually beautiful outside. So have you been to Surfside Beach and how do you like it compared to Myrtle Beach? Let us know in the comments. And what about Surfside appeals to you compared to Myrtle Beach? Now we've taken a walk down Surfside Drive and it is a good little walk, so don't think this is right next to what we just showed you. We wanted to show you the rest of the main stuff on Surfside Drive. So here's the iconic sign. You always see this sign everywhere, but what's interesting is they have paved with pavers. This used to be sort of a dirt parking lot and it had some pretty big holes in it, so this looks much better. They've added various palm trees and landscaping. So this definitely looks a whole lot better. Very nice. So let's walk and show you what other restaurants and other shops they have here on Surfside Drive. Is sort of like the main street. It'd be the equivalent of Main Street. Get out of the trees here so we can see it better. Borgata, spirits and food and good times. And then we got Malibu of Surfside. Property management. Got Surfside Beach Pizza and Italian restaurant. Advanced custom flooring and shore decor. And it looks like we've got an insurance agency. So let's cross over the street here and take a look at the other side. And as you can see right up here is Kings Highway. So we're at the corner of Surfside Drive and Kings Highway right up there where you see that kangaroo store. And this is open for breakfast. This is the Wooden Spoon Eatery. They're open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's go up and take a look at their menu. So here's their menu if you want to freeze frame and read it. Lots of options. They've got some outdoor seating as well. Then next down the line we've got a cleaners. Quite the mix of shops here. They've got some fun lights on the trees. The parking here appears to be free. I haven't seen any signs saying otherwise. I think it's a minimum of 2-hour parking. Here's the Golden Kitchen. Or sorry, a maximum of 2-hour parking, not minimum. Salon and spa. And then down here we've got another place. Let's check this out. They're open as well. Or at least their open sign is on. I think I may have to go around the corner to see the sign. Well, here's their menu. Let's check this out. Maybe we've got a name here. Sundown Restaurant and Sports Pub. So you can freeze frame at any time to take a closer look. Then just around the corner from that area we were just at is Benjamin's Bakery and Cafe. We got indoor and outdoor seating. Let's go over and look at the menu. It's definitely a well-known eating establishment here in Surfside. So there you go. Of course, as always, you can pause to take a closer look. Lots of options. Pretty good prices too. Actually, on most of these places we've been have had really good prices. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.